AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's a game changer, especially when it comes to making money online. From automation to creativity, artificial intelligence has opened doors to income streams that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Wondering how you can tap into the power of AI to earn in 2025? Stick around because in this video, we'll explore practical and profitable ways you can use AI to generate income online. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on making money online, leveraging technology, and boosting your financial freedom. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. The rise of artificial intelligence has revolutionized industries and created exciting opportunities for individuals to make money online. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, AI provides tools and platforms to help you earn a sustainable income in innovative ways. Let's break it down step by step. Freelancing with AI tools. Freelancing has become a dominant way to make money online, and AI is making it easier and more efficient. Tools like ChatGPT for content writing, Jasper AI for marketing copy, and DALL-E for graphic design empower freelancers to create professional quality work quickly. You can offer services like article writing, social media management, logo creation, or even chatbot development without needing advanced technical skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are perfect for finding clients and showcasing your AI-enhanced services. Selling AI-generated content. Content creation is another lucrative option. You can use AI tools to generate ebooks, create online courses, or design print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Platforms like Canva, powered by AI, make designing incredibly simple. Similarly, AI art tools like Midjourney and DALL-E help you create stunning visuals that can be sold as digital prints on Etsy or stock image platforms. Creating AI-powered products. If you're entrepreneurial, consider creating your own AI-powered tools or apps. For example, you could design a chatbot to automate customer service for businesses, or develop niche AI tools, such as recipe generators for food blogs or language learning apps. Websites like Bubble or Glide make it easy to build such products with little to no coding experience. Once built, these tools can provide you with recurring income through subscriptions or one-time purchases. Automating business tasks. Another way to make money online with AI is by helping businesses automate their operations. Tools like Zapier or Make allow you to set up workflows that connect apps and automate repetitive tasks. Businesses will pay handsomely for these kinds of solutions as they save time and increase efficiency. You can market these services to startups or small businesses on platforms like LinkedIn. 5. Investing in AI startups. If you have some capital to invest, consider putting your money into AI startups or projects. AI is expected to grow exponentially, and getting in early on promising startups can result in significant returns. Use platforms like AngelList or crowdfunding websites to identify opportunities. Remember to research thoroughly before investing, as every investment carries risks. Now, it's your turn. Have you tried using AI tools to earn money online? What's your favorite AI platform or tool? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. AI is transforming the online earning landscape, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you're freelancing, creating content, or building products, there's an income stream waiting for you. So, which of these methods are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ways to earn online in 2025. See you in the next video.